What's up, guys? Puff Buds here, chilling in the wilderness with my puppy. He's actually not a puppy though. He's 4 years old. What are you doing, champ? Looking like a little wolf dog. I was just down there in that creek. Sorry if I'm coughing, I just took a hit of this OG Kush. This shit got that real gassy, piney smell and taste. I like it. I was just down here in this little creek. Planted a Cookies OG seed. Like I was saying in that video I posted earlier, which was the video of 2 baby seedlings that just sprouted yesterday. If you guys want to check that out. I'm going to be doing updates and videos on my grows and just different types of videos, vlogs, smoking in the wilderness. Comment down below your guys' favorite nature setting. Ocean, desert, fucking forest, jungle, city. Mine would probably have to be the forest, just being real. But yeah, I like them all though, to be honest. I was looking at this rock and it looked fucking trippy because it looks like it has some perfect incisions. I'll get up and check it out in a second. Like some half pipe incisions or something. Shit don't even really make sense to me. I wonder who was up here making half pipe incisions. It actually would have been a full pipe because this rock has it too. I'll show you in a second. And yeah, it looks trippy. But for sure, guys, I'm gonna be doing more grows when I get more seeds, more nature hikes. I have a really cool location about 30 minutes from my house, but I just came to the closest forest to plant the one seed I had left for now. Clouds are looking nice. But okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys this rock. Hold on. This shit looking kind of trippy. Ugh. I don't know what left it here. See how it's like perfectly flat right here, but it has something drilled through it. You can see it on the sides, and then this one just looks like a perfectly cut. I don't know, and I can see where they broke apart too. This piece right here fits in that piece. It's almost like it was like dropped here or something, because every other rock just looks normal relatively, and then that one's just posted up. He ran into a dog on a trail a little while ago. Was having a good time, but I'm not really trying to run into more people just because I'm smoking weed and I'm peaceful right now. Come here, champ. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it moving. I might go down to this little river. Yeah, I might go down to this little river. So I'll pause it just so I can show you guys real quick. One sec. Before I head down there, I had to make sure I have everything. Pipe, check. Keys, check. I got everything. This fool's waiting for me. He's like, we going? Alright, one sec. Still a little bit of snow on the ground. It's actually pretty slippery. I fell earlier when I was climbing up a hill. Almost to the water right here. kind of like a little dam right here. Looks like this was made by some beavers or something. My foot kind of slipped and a branch kind of like stabbed me in my thigh, but didn't break my skin. I think it might have just gave me a little scratch. But yeah, this little forest is pretty dope. I like this stream. Damn, it's a big tree. All right, guys.